Team Fullest. So today I'm here again with another cooking video. So we all have our way of spending time with our family and what our kids love. So sometimes I do ask my kids, like, what is your best memory of us as family? And me as a parent, I'm thinking, okay, the occasions where I spend a lot of money doing this, going out, visiting places, that's the memories that they will enjoy and like. But to my surprise, me asking my kids, what's your best memories? Their best memories is just me cooking, all of us sitting in the living room, watching movie, playing games, eating together, playing games together. Those are my kids' best memories. That is what they love. So me knowing that, I do that a lot. I do that more often. So this is one of our favorites. This used to be my favorite recipe, but now it has become our favorite recipe in the house. Fried fish and plantain with a little bit of sauce, and I make this and the kids loved it. So I'm going to make this today with some jollof rice at the side and with some cold drinks, and we're going to play some game. I got this game that my wife brought me from Africa. If you're Sierra Leonean, you know it's called Ludo, and the other one is called Vier in één Rij, four in a row. It's a game. I love buying games. I have a lot of different games at home. So these are one of the things I do with the kids, since I've noticed that this is what they enjoy the most. I still take my kids out. We still go places, we still do things. I still spend money. But me knowing that spending time together at home as family, watching movie, playing games together, this is what they love. I do this more often. So I cook our favorite meal and I buy drinks. I put the TV on, we play games, we make joke, we laugh. They get to tell me how they feel. And it was amazing. So this is everything. And this was us. I bought some mango, some kaba, and everybody has their own plate of fish, so we don't need to share. Everybody has their own, and it was amazing. It was really amazing. I enjoyed these moments.